What's up, YouTube? Josh here from Little Desert Farm. Take a look at the garden today. I'm not too happy with the way this pumpkin patch is looking. It looks like it's drying out pretty good. I do have some new growth going on here, so it's not dead. There are some dead leaves in here. I'm not too sure what's going on here. This zucchini or squash or whatever the heck this bush is, it's got some flowers and it's got some little fruits going on in there. So as that grows and the fruits get bigger, I'll be able to tell you what it is. You can see some of the plants seem to be doing all right. Some of them seem to be dying. I don't know if they're not getting enough water or too much sun or what the deal is here. I've been busy, so I haven't been out here too much to keep an eye on it and do some maintenance and take care of it. See, my grass is starting to grow back. I'm gonna have to get the weed whacker out again and clean that up. Eggplant's doing all right. Pepper plant. This one looks like it might be doing all right. This one looks like it's dead. Looks like you got a dead one in there too. But still green. I've been keeping an eye to see if I get some new growth. I haven't seen any yet. Well, there's a couple more eggplants on this plant here. They're little. Oh, a couple more over here too. See, the grass is starting to creep back up through my garden. I have to do something about that. Let's see, the moringa tree. Plant's looking healthy, but I'm not seeing any new seed pods sprouting. Still got a lot of flowers and a lot of moths that are around the flowers. This moringa tree here, oh, it does have a couple little flowers on there. Not too many though. This tree's, I think they're two different varieties of moringa tree. This one's supposed to be a shorter, more bushier version, and this one's a taller version. It said about 10 feet, and this one about 6 feet. That's pretty accurate. Not too sure what kind of tree this is. I have to do a little bit of research and check it out. But it's grown a lot since we've been here. I keep watering it. So we'll see what that turns out to be. And my other moringa tree. Got a couple flowers going on there. You can see at the bottom how these trees grow. They all start off as one tree, and then new sprouts grow off of, I guess, the root ball area. And as it gets older and older, they get more little branches out the bottom until kind of, you can see this one here and this one here. They all started off as one tree, and now you got 1, 2, 3, 4 over here, 5, a lot more than 5 here. You can also see in the middle, they die and you cut them off, and then new sprouts grow. So it's still doing some learning on the moringa tree. I know it's a very healthy, nutritious plant as far as a lot of medicinal and a lot of health benefits to the entire tree. So let's see how the asparagus. Yeah, you got some green leaves going in here. It's still going. You see this same thing, the last year or last season's growth dies and then new growth comes out from the roots. This entire box here, it's about a 4-foot square box. This entire box was filled with leafy greens, and I think we got about around 20 good artichokes off of this plant this in the springtime this year. So, little tour of the garden. Let's see, I got a lot of weeds and grass around the bottom. I need to do some cleanup and create what I call a little volcano around the bottom of the tree. So when I water it, the water stays right around the roots. I water it with the hose and just let it flood and then soak in. I usually water in the evening time so the sun doesn't dry up the water. Give the trees and all the plants as much time as possible for them to absorb much water and moisture. Being in the desert here, water's worth its weight in gold. Another thing we've had a lot of with all this rain is bugs and spiders. I don't mind the spiders, but the spider webs drive me crazy. You can't see them and they get on you, and I don't like it. I wish they were a bright color or something so I could see them, but I guess bugs could see them too and they wouldn't catch any bugs. So, but yeah, nothing too exciting here in the garden. I've been too busy to start any projects here, and I was working on my barn. That's my big project. Oh, you can see down here these little leaves here. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's a sweet potato. Could be way off on that, but we'll see as it grows bigger. And looking at these leaves here, I don't know if that's the same plant as this one or if that's a separate plant, but these leaves here definitely don't look like the pumpkin leaves. They look like these leaves. So we'll see what that turns into. See another spider. There's spiders everywhere. Alright, YouTube, till next time, take it easy.